Hi, this is Kapil Gadia. I've been in the part of Incredible You program from past 7 weeks, and I've completed my eighth week. And I felt like sharing my journey, my breakthroughs. So there are certain questions which I'll be answering. These are the questions which generally I faced before joining this program. The challenges I was facing was I was feeling a bit incomplete, unfulfilled. There was a void in me. Something was missing in me. There was constant this on sense of missing was there, which even led to some symptoms of depression in me. I was like really fed up with my family. I was just like going to leave them. Yes, so I was a bit irritated in a way. So this led me to join the program in a way. See, the symptoms of depression, and I had a failed relationship last year. I got promotion in my job, a good appraisal, but I was not happy. I was like questioning myself why I'm I should be happy. I've got promoted, I've got good appraisal, but I was not happy. So I was like more confused that why good things are not making me happy. I think there is some serious issues going on, and I need to look for answers. Me, I guess many years this void or the sense of missing was been in my life from quite a long time, but I just avoided it, and it led to some serious issues and led me to some symptoms of depression. I think if I would have known this program earlier, I would have avoided this problem of going into depression or failed relationships or being unfulfilled. Why would I be facing this? So I would have went with this program if I would have known it earlier. Luckily, uh, I started at this time and even came out of this negative symptoms. So after coming out of my depression symptoms through anti-anxiety pills, I didn't want to depend on those pills. So I started working on myself. I started looking my life outside my routine life. I started taking long trips to natural areas like Manali, Kasol. I became a teacher at NGO. I started contributing people through my knowledge. I started helping people getting jobs. So I was liking that. This was really curing me and making me feel a bit fulfilled. So I was searching some permanent thing. These were like small steps. So I was searching some permanent thing uh, for fulfillment, and I stumbled upon this program. So I was just surfing my Facebook, and I stumbled upon a link of Arfin asking about some Incredible You program. In the personality report, the answers which I got, I was very much able to relate it to my personality. So I was like confused. How just from a set of questions anyone can knew the personality of a person. Said my challenge was feeling that void, that emptiness, that unfulfilled behavior. So there are many tools in this particular process of Incredible You. There is a wheel of life. There are baseline tools which digs deep into you. It's like peels you off every layer of you and exactly show you where the wound is. So you get complete clarity why you are feeling in this way, and when you have that clarity that why you are feeling in this way, it's like easy for you to heal that wound. So I guess first 2 to 3 weeks I was like clear that this is the reason why I'm feeling this way and what should be done. Uh, it was clear after fourth or fifth week. Yeah. Talking to Shilpa, my coach, Shilpa took me with an exercise of vision. She took me with a vision test. She asked me a few questions which are really like I was intrigued by those questions, and I felt that it's very easy working with Shilpa, and I can easily get through this of my void. Yes. Now I know the reason why I'm struggling for my challenge. I got the crystal clear path through my outcomes activity. to start working on that path and got the motivation of from the coding activity. Now I know there is a clarity of vision in my life. I know what I need to achieve within a span of 1 year, 2 year, 5 years. I exactly know what needs to be done to live a fulfilled life, and now I can happily live my life with my. I've wrote some points, so now I exactly know the reason why I have been struggling for all these years. I know exactly where the wound is and how to cure it. I know exactly what I need to achieve within the span of 1 year, 2 years, 5 years. So there's a outcome activity which provides you this clarity. So I exactly know what needs to be done for getting fulfilled, and what better than that to live a life I can now happily live with my family. So I need to share that I was fed up with my family and even was planning to leave my family and leave alone, because there were many big quarrels been going on between me and my family due to difference in expectations, difference in perspectives. And I shared this with Shilpa, and now sitting at the seventh week from, I guess this was me 2 to 3 months back, telling her that I will be leaving my family. I'm just fed up of them. Now I'm like in congruence with them. I'm okay if their expectations are different with me. I'm absolutely fine with it. So what better win I could have? Yeah. I've started looking life in a much broader way, instead of just narrowly looking like work this, you will get this promotion, do this, you'll get this, do this. No, this is like gold mine, and you can take this gold and invest anywhere and can expand your returns. So this is like broader view, that you get a kind of broader, larger view, longer view, which I felt personally. So I became a bit playful, a bit cheerful, and the best part was this was very natural. I did not need to act. I don't need to act that to be playful. Less अभी मैं playful होगा, अभी मैं cheerful. No, I have naturally become playful and cheerful. I do not have to try anything more for getting into a good state. I started expecting from people around me a bit lesser, and their actions are not like frustrating me now, because I'm not expecting them. I'm just expecting to work myself and help them. How I am providing or improving their lives. These are my, so I've made some self expectations now. I'm not like attached to those expectations from them. So there are lesser chances of getting frustrated and getting diverted. I got to know that my job is consuming a lot of time, and it is not allowing me to build some great friendships, some great relationships. It is not allowing me to spend some quality time with my friends and family. It is not allowing me to do the things I actually love doing. So yes, I've started working on building some passive income ways. I know exactly how much money I need to make within a span of year, so that I can leave the job and just investing minimal amount of time and get maximum amount of money. As I said you, my vision got broader and I started looking for other areas as well of making income, and it helped me to at least start on my passive income ways and my area of freedom. Yeah. So is it all worth it? Absolutely yes. So my biggest win for me was to identify the areas which I was lacking and due to which I was feeling unfulfilled. So first thing, I became congruent with myself, and consequently that congruency started sinking in with my relationships with my friends and family. And today, like, my friends are like, तेरे से बात करना बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है यार. बोला हाँ, मैं थोड़ा हायर लेवल पे पहुँच. Yeah, you can get it. Yeah. So few lines about my coach. Shilpa is amazing. Shilpa is actually amazing. I'll tell you, I've wrote my experience with her. So first time I got to know that a coach will be calling me after that personality test, which I told you that 100 questions would be there. So I was expecting an older coach, I was expecting that I need to be respectful as we respect our teachers in school. She would be like guiding me. You should do this. You should do that. And within the span of half an hour, I got a call from Shilpa. He was like, "Hey, Kapil," and I was like, "Okay." I wasn't expecting this. And within the span of 5 minutes, we were like talking like friends. We were like opening up completely. We were like talking like friends. She shared her story without even knowing me. She told me that even she was stuck in a corporate job few years back. Now she has wrote a book, a best-selling book. She has took some solo trips, and her recent trip was Spain. And I was like, wow, I want to live this life. And what better way to learn living this life from the person itself who is living that life? And so that 5 minutes of talking turned out to be 45 minutes of talking. Even I shared my story. And the best thing was, after 5 to 10 minutes, I was like, I can share with this person, with Shilpa, anything without any fear of judgment. So I guess this was huge in me. There's always been a fear of judgment, that people judge me on how I talk or how I look. And within the span of 10 minutes talking to Shilpa, that fear was not there between me and her. I was like able to explain her my story without any fear of without any fear of judgment. So I guess that was the best part of our first interaction. Then Shilpa is experienced, knows Incredible You system in and out. So when Shilpa is around, there is no room for confusion. She knows the point you will get stuck. She is that proactive that she'll guide you ahead itself. She makes you accountable to that you complete your task every day. He keeps the flow going by every second day, just messaging you how is the task going, how is the life going, and and so you cannot miss out, or you cannot run from your task. She is like accountable. She is like, you have to complete your task on time. And yeah, so when you are like on the system, Incredible You, and you have this awesome coach who's like well experienced, lets no room for confusion, and keeps you intrigued and completely invest in the program. I guess what better coach you would have. And the best thing is, she's really passionate about being a coach. One day her internet was not working. I remember she went to her car, took her mobile, started a hotspot Wi-Fi, and took the call from her car in the garage. And I guess what better example of passion can be given. She could have cancelled the session at that time and could have shifted the session, but no, she continued the session. Immediately she ran to her car and started the session. I guess Shilpa is a coach. I can undoubtedly, you are in the safe hands. Yeah, thank you, Shilpa, for this. I'm in the 7th week, and I'm like looking for wonders, and I know that I absolutely know what I'll be doing within a span of 1 year, and I'm more than helpful, more than thankful to you. And thanks, Shilpa. Thanks, Shilpa, for this. Really, thanks.